people! Today we're making some barbecue sides, the best ones, and it's keto style. Believe it or not, I'm making a German potato salad without the potato. How is that possible? Well, I made it possible. I got some cauliflower, the whole head. I took them apart, the florets. I steamed about 7 minutes. I took them out, put them in the fridge to cool off so they don't get mushy. You get me? So, meantime, I'm gonna sip this great keto beer. Yes, it's keto beer, 2 carbs, or maybe 3. But I'm not gonna deprive myself for the whole summer. I was locked up in the house. So, let me sip. Oh my goodness, so good. All right, the next thing that I have is mixed dressing. It's going to be our salad dressing with 2 tablespoons of German mustard, you know, the one with the little cracks like a peppercorn inside. It's a ground, whatever it's called, stone. 2 tablespoons bacon fat, which I have here, I saved earlier from my bacon. See, I chopped some bacons earlier, and I saved the fat, so I add it to my dressing. And then I have 3 tablespoons wine, vinaigrette, red wine, vinegar, whatever you call, and we mix it together. So I have here some chopped up pickles. Those are dill weed pickles, and scallions, 2 chopped garlic, our shallot. I use nothing but shallot. I must be French somewhere. Chopped parsley, and then our mixed chili, peppers, salt, black corn peppers, seasoning. All right, let's start going. I'll take another sip. I may get drunk before I finish the salad. Who cares, right? We turn the stove on high heat, and we're gonna pour some bacon fat that I had earlier, so we can saute our shallot onions. Let's see if we can hear the chisel. Yeah, you have to chisel and chisel. Oh, you might want to break them off a little bit. Now I'm going to add a little bit more since it's kind of dried out. And I have to turn my heat down so we don't burn. Just saute a little bit, brown it with the garlic, chopped garlic, and our shallots are pretty much brown, saute. So we're gonna remove this. And now I'm gonna add my salad dressing so that I can get my now these babies going in. I think we can add a little bit more oil. Okay. Just a couple minutes so they'll brown a little bit, and it soaks up all the salad dressing. We can actually turn it off because we're not going to cook the salad. I never had the cooked salad, have you? Seasoning. I have the chili peppers, has the cracked peppercorn, sea salt. We're going to add our onions back in, right? The next one we're going to add our dessert. Bacon is the god. All right? So maybe this is enough, right? Now we're gonna add our green scallions, just scatter all over the place. Then we have our pickles. Yummy. Okay. Now I'm gonna dump the rest of my garden over here. So we run everything to our garden. We even grow bacon in the garden, if you knew. Okay guys, this is called our keto potato salad made without the potato, okay? So forget about the P word. Don't ever say it. We are now called C word. C word is a cauliflower. There you have it. Cauliflower German potato salad without the potatoes. Now, you make some and we'll see you next time.